Harrington acknowledged that his information agreed with all these details, and the maps they each had drawn of the orbits were almost indistinguishable. The current probable location of Nibiru, Planet X, our 10th, estimated by both, was the same. It is the opinion of this author and others that, in light of the evidence already obtained through the use of the Pioneer 10 and 11 and 2 Voyager spacecraft, the infrared imaging satellite, IRAS, 83-84, and the clear and unequivocal statements of Harrington when consulting with Sitchin, that the search has already been accomplished, in fact that the planet has already been found, we need to force the issue of the 10th planet being in our solar system, not just to demonstrate the validity of the new paradigm but for a very practical reason. The ancient records are very clear. The passage of the 10th planet, Nibiru, once every 3,600 years, through the inner solar system affects the Earth, sometimes in catastrophic ways. It is very probably the cause of pole shifts, pole reversals, changes in the precessional movement, perhaps even catastrophic bombardment by asteroid-sized space debris that it may drag along with it, since it passes through the asteroid belt area between Mars and Jupiter, and its orbital path may vary depending on the position of the other planets when it comes, though it may have been responsible for the devastation of Mars. A rigorous, detailed computer modeling of the solar system, including the 10th planet, needs to be done urgently for our own planetary safety. Remember that the Vatican maintains an astronomical observatory in Mount Sinai. Aldrich may have access to information that prompts him to make the amazing statements he has, no doubt as voice of the Vatican. The technological evidence. Uparts is the term used to describe the purportedly out-of-place in time artifacts, toys, tools, technical devices, depictions and documents which have come to light through archaeological excavation or discovery. Almost everyone is familiar, through published works or documentaries, with the clay pot batteries still containing the electrodes from the Iraqi desert dated at 2500 BC, the flyable model airplane from a pyramid tomb, the sophisticated machining of stone requiring the most advanced techniques we know today, the 1,000-ton precision cut blocks of stone in a temple foundation that we could not even handle, an ancient relief frieze from an Abydos temple depicting rockets, airplanes and even a helicopter, etc. The most recent and quite amazing upart is the rediscovery of monatomic gold by David Hudson. Monatomics are superconductors at room temperature, have antigravitic properties and are only now being investigated by the advanced physics community. Hudson's discovery correlated with the bringing to light by Gardner of the suppressed discovery of the Anunnaki gold processing plant on Mt. Horeb by Sir Flinders Petrie in 1889 demonstrates that the monatomics were already known at least 3,000 years ago. These uparts, coupled with evidence from many disciplines and the historical records, indicate that an advanced civilization existed in those times possessing high technology, and that civilization was indeed the Anunnaki. The documentary evidence. The recorded historical documentation for the existence and deeds of the Anunnaki has become gradually available to us only since the early 1800s. The excavation of the ancient sites of Mesopotamia brought to light the amazingly advanced civilization of Sumer, and with it, thousands of clay tablets containing